Welcome to the Star Manufacturing Startup Guide for the SCT4000E vertical contact toaster. Today we're going to show you how to set up your toaster when it first arrives. First, you're going to cut off the straps. It will come on a pallet with the straps. Just go ahead and cut these off. Okay. Then you're going to open the box. Take a razor, just go straight down the tape, and open up the box. Now there's staples in that hold this lid together so you don't cut yourself. Once you get the box open, you're going to start pulling out the insides. First thing you're going to pull out, you'll notice that there is a tray that is inside one of the side panels. So do not discard this tray. Pull out the side piece, and your tray is actually inside. Set that aside until we need it for later. Next, you're going to start just pulling out each one of the sides. Okay. This is the top piece to uncover your toaster. Once the pieces are out, your box should actually just lift up. Once you lift it up, just take the top piece out. Now you have your toaster uncovered. Get some help to set it on the counter. Once your unit is on the counter, you're going to make sure that your conveyors have not shifted. What you need to do is to open your lid and take your conveyor out. To take the conveyor out, you're going to slide it to the opposite side of the control board, lift that side up, and pull it out. Okay? Now, to make sure that it gets fully engaged, put the side in and make sure that this drive shaft is fully engaged with this motor. So you're going to put it in and slide it all the way towards the control board. Once you do that, the conveyor goes straight up and you can put your lid back on. Another thing to check besides your conveyors is your Teflon sheet bar and your bun deflector. In delivery, these may shake off, so you want to make sure you put them on properly. Your bun deflector just slides on that brace, okay? Your Teflon sheet, if the bar is not in the Teflon, what you're going to want to do is put the bar through your Teflon sheet holes, okay? To do that, what you're going to do is go over and then under the main part and then back out, okay? And then it hangs over. Once you do that, your Teflon sheet just slides on over on each side and the bar connects, okay? Make sure that your Teflon sheet is tucked in underneath, okay? Once you do that, you can put all your conveyors back up and put your lid back on. In your box, you're going to have the tray that came in the side piece and some manuals. Do not discard either one. File these away for further guidance. Once you check your conveyors and your Teflon sheet and your bun deflector, next is just to put on your bun tray that was in that side panel before. What you're going to do is just go under and it hooks onto the pegs in the back. Okay? And then just lays flat. Okay? Next, what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your unit. Before making any electrical connections to this unit, check the power supply is adequate for the voltage, amperage, and requirements stated on the rating plate. Once you do that, go ahead and plug it in, and we'll turn on the unit. Once your unit is connected to the power, next step is to turn it on. The switch is down at the bottom underneath the control board. Just flip it, and it'll go into a preheat cycle onto the control board. Okay? During this preheat cycle, your front motor, or your front conveyor, will actually not be spinning. Okay? That's not an issue. What's going to happen is, as soon as it will start up before it's out of preheat mode. When you put your unit onto the table, you want to have a minimum clearance on each side of at least an inch, and above it, you want it at least a foot. Once your unit is out of preheat mode, you're going to go ahead and adjust for your bun settings. Over here, this is the front conveyor. You can go up and down. It has a minimum and a maximum distance. If you do it around a 3 on each side, you can figure out how much to adjust it by putting a bun through. Once you have it on a 3, just put your bun through. The crown goes in the front, the heel goes in the back. Once it comes out, you're going to look at the toast. If it's too light, put the conveyor, move the conveyor to more of a minimum. If it's too dark, go ahead and adjust it out a little bit. And you got your toast. If you have any issues with the toaster, you're going to call our technical service line at 1-800-264-7827. In the next video, you'll be watching to see how to adjust your settings on your control board.